Hey there, little Timmy. Hey there, buddy. What's up? Alright, now, I want you to move aside first, okay, little Timmy? What is this? Mechanical keyboards. We use them for productivity, gaming, and Osu. Well, why did I separate Osu? I just wanted to. Don't at me. Well, I'm here to tell you why a good keyboard matters in game performance. But what is different between a mechanical keyboard and a membrane keyboard, shout? It feels better. Period. Well, will it improve my gaming? Yes. Well, some people say that only the mouse is important for gaming, but I digress. Having a good keyboard matters too. You feel good, you play good. Well, what switches should I use? Preference. Generally, there are three types of switches available. There's linear, tactile, and clicky. Linear feels buttery smooth. Tactile has a little bumpy bump on it. And clicky is my ears! My ears! Personally, I prefer linears as they feel better when counter-strafing in general. Ooh. But clicky switches are pretty good for typing. I haven't tried tactile switches yet, so I have yet to have an opinion on those. If you have $100 or 5,000 Philippine pesos at hand right now, I'd really recommend the 1-2 Mini, despite what the mechanical keyboard nerds say about it being bad or not worth it. But for me, it's really good. It includes PBT double shot keycaps, and you get many extra things, like extra keycaps and a keycap puller. It also includes this cool looking spacebar. If your budget is a bit lower, I highly suggest the Red Dragon K530 Draconic, which costs half of the 1-2 Mini. I have a Gateron Yellows linked below if you want to get the Gateron Yellows in the Philippines. So I'll canvas the entire project for you and it will cost you around 3,436 Philippine pesos, delivery not included, for a set of Gateron Yellows and a Draconic K530. Little Timmy. Alright. Now, since this is a gaming channel and not a Taiha types clone, I'll be playing a game of deathmatch with my 1-2 Mini and hopefully get some kills. Alright, so let's hop into a game of Valorant. Yo, okay.
Embarrassing.
Oh my god.
Phoenix killed.
I whiff. We whiff.
Cypher buried. You're nothing.
Five kills remaining.
Three.
Oh, I was on a roll. So thanks for watching this video. So I hope this helps you find the right keyboard for you. Wait, we're gonna put if you haven't seen, I have reached 2 subscribers. Woo! So thanks to people. I hope to make better content in the future, so a sub to the channel will be Switch-tastic. So good luck with your mechanical keyboards and stay frosty. My name is not Frosty, it's Shout, but should I have just said Shout-tastic? Oh my god, so cringy. So good luck with your mechanical keyboards and have a good night or morning or afternoon or whatever time you're watching this. So yes.